In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename a table or table title. So let's see how we can do it quickly. At first, we need to select the table, and if you click anywhere inside this table, you'll see there is a circle and the column number or row number will be there. It's a column name basically, column A, column B, and row number 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, the table will be selected. Now our goal is to rename the table, right, or table title. To rename the table title, you just need to move your cursor and double click over there, and then you can do all the modification. You can do like regular editing, how the way you type or delete everything. So I'm going to type the name is like financial transactions, and once you modify the table name, then hit return key, it will be updated. And that's it. In this way we can easily change the table title or the title of the table in Apple numbers.